All right, here's a fun little chord drill I like to do to warm up. This is going to take you through the 12 major musical keys in the order of fifths, and we're going to go through all of the diatonic triads in order, the exception of the diminished triad, because I don't like it, but we're going to play a half diminished there instead. So here we are, starting in the key of C. 2, ready, C. D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, B half diminished, and then back to C, and then key of G, A minor, B minor, C, D, E minor, F sharp diminished, half diminished, and back to G. All right, key of D, E minor, F sharp minor, G, A, B minor, C sharp half diminished, and then back to G. All right, key of A, B minor, C sharp minor, D, E, F sharp minor, G sharp half diminished, and then back to A, E, F sharp minor, G sharp minor, A, B, C sharp minor, D sharp half diminished, and then back to E. All right, key of B, C sharp minor, D sharp minor, E, F sharp, G sharp minor, A sharp half diminished, and then back to B. All right, key of F sharp, G sharp minor, A sharp minor, B, C sharp, D sharp minor, and then E sharp half diminished, and then back to my F. G flat, A flat minor, B flat minor, C flat, D flat, E flat minor, F diminished, and then back to G flat. All right, key of D flat, E flat minor, F minor, G flat, A flat, keep doing that, B flat minor, and then the C diminished, and back to D flat. All right, key of A flat, B flat minor, C minor, D flat, E flat, F minor, G diminished, half diminished, and back to A flat. All right, E flat, F minor, G minor, A flat, B flat, C minor, D half diminished, and then back to the E flat. Key of B flat, C minor, D minor, E flat, and that's a weird jump, F, G minor, A half diminished, I guess here, sure, and back to B flat, and then the key of F, G minor, A minor, B flat, C, D minor, E diminished, half diminished, sure, right there, and then F. I guess I could have done it here. All right. Anyway, fun little warm-up. You can see why it's a good warm-up and an exercise to do. If there's anything else that you guys would want to see a video on, just let me know. I'm happy to explain anything that you're wondering about for playing guitar, or if you want some good drills or anything like that to kind of help you warm up and sharpen up your skills, just let me know.